Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we break down the latest and greatest in tech to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we've got something special for all you PC enthusiasts out there: the Corsair Dominator Titanium 1st Edition DDR5-7200 C36 memory kit. Now, Corsair has been a household name in the PC gaming world for quite some time, and their Dominator series has always been synonymous with top-tier performance. Today's big question: but can their latest DDR5 offering, the Dominator Titanium 1st Edition, live up to the hype? Let's dive in and find out. First things first, let's talk about the design. The Dominator Titanium 1st Edition sports a sleek, minimalistic design with an aluminum heat spreader in a single color. But what sets it apart is the swappable top bar, allowing for customization to match your setup. Whether you're into RGB lighting or prefer a more classic look, Corsair has got you covered. And speaking of RGB lighting, the Dominator Titanium features 11 individually addressable RGB LEDs that can be controlled using Corsair's iCUE software. Plus, Corsair offers separate accessory kits or the option to 3D print your top bar for even more personalization. Now, let's talk performance. The Dominator Titanium 1st Edition DDR5-7200 C36 doesn't disappoint. With a capacity of 2x24GB and XMP 3.0 profiles supporting speeds up to DDR5-7400. This memory kit delivers blazing fast performance for even the most demanding tasks. Whether you're gaming, video editing, or multitasking, the Dominator Titanium handles it all with ease. And for those looking to push their system even further, Corsair has included an overclocked profile for DDR5-7400, giving you that extra edge in performance. Today's big question: so, what's the verdict? The Corsair Dominator Titanium 1st Edition DDR5-7200 C36 is undeniably a high-quality memory kit that ticks all the boxes with great performance, customizable design, and top-notch build quality. However, it does come with a premium price tag, so it may not be the best option for budget-conscious buyers. But if you're willing to invest in the best for your PC build, the Dominator Titanium 1st Edition is worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this one. Until next time, happy gaming!